Hey, boys and girls. I will be doing homework for week 13. This will be your Monday night's homework, so section 2. This says 0.025 is 1/100th of what number? So if it's 1/100th of a number, I'm going to rewrite it just so you can see. 1/100th, that means I had to go over 2 places to get here. So I'm going to go back over 2 places and that'll put me here. So my answer would be 2.5. So this number 0.025 is 1/100th of 2.5, because remember when you divide by 10 you go backwards, so you have to go backwards to get here. So that means this number had to be smaller than where I started. So 2.5. Okay, next one. It's just a multiplication problem. So I'm multiplying 16.65 times 3.6. I need to rewrite this. I need to make this a little bit smaller. So hold on. See if I can make it bigger. Okay. Don't want to take up the whole page. So I'm going to do my work over on the side. Okay, so 16.65 times 3.6. So when we're multiplying with decimals, you just ignore the decimal until the end. So 5 times 6 is 30. Put my 0, carry my 3. 6 times 6 is 36, plus 3 is 39. 6 times 6 is 36 again, plus 3 is 39. 1 times 6 is 6, plus 3 is 9. Put my 0 to hold my place. Then I have 5 times 3, which is 15. Let me go ahead and mark out this, and this. So I'll remember that I've already used it. 5 times 3 is 15. Put my 5, carry my 1. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 1 is 19. 6 times 3 again is 18, plus 1 is 19. 1 times 3 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So now I will add that up. Get 0. 9 plus 5 is 14. Carry my 1. 9 plus 9 plus 1 would be 19. Carry my 1 again. That's going to be 19. Carry my 1. And that's going to be 5. And my decimal will have to be, if I have 3 digits after my decimal in all up here, because I have up here I have 2 digits after my decimal, and down here I have 1 digit after my decimal. So that makes 3 digits after my decimal in all. So I have to have 3 digits after my decimal in my answer. So my decimal goes right here. So my answer would be 59 and 940 thousandths. So that's the answer for number 2, the first one. Now for the second one, it's also multiplication with decimals. So I'll just erase this and rewrite this. So 81.42 times 1.7. 2 times 7 is 14. 1 times 4 is 28, plus 1 is 29. 1 times 7 plus 2 will be 9. 8 times 7 will be 56. Put my 0 to hold my place. 2 times 1 is 2. 4 times 1 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. 8 times 1 is 8. And remember, I could have marked this out because I've already used it. Okay, now I'll add 4, 11, sorry. $11, carry 1, stay. 9 plus 4 plus 1 be 13, 14. 7, 8, 13. So this one I have 1, 2, 3 digits after my decimal again. So my answer is going to be there. My decimal is going to be there. I think I need to double check that to make sure I did it right, because I did. All right, I'm going to do it on this side just to double check myself, because I do not want you having the wrong answer. Sometimes we need to double check ourselves. I keep wanting to write 7.1, but it's 1.7. Okay, so 81.42 times 1.7. 2 times 7 is 14. Put my 4, carry my 1. 4 times 7 is 28 plus 1 is 29. 1 times 7 plus 2 is 1 times 7 is 7 plus 2 is 9. 8 times 7 is 56. Okay, I have all that correct. Put my 0 to hold my place. Mark this out, mark this out, mark this out. Now 2 times 1 is 2. 4 times 1 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. 8 times 1 is 8. I had that right. Now I add it up. 4 plus 0 is 4. 9 plus 2 is 11. Carry my 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. Plus 4 is 14. Carry my 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. Plus 1 more is 8. Then 5 plus 8 is 13. 1, 3. Yep, I had it right. I just had to make sure. So 3 digits after my decimal, because I have 1, 2, 3 digits after my decimal up here. So 138 and 414 thousandths is my answer. Right. Next one is a word problem. It says 1 pound of cherries costs $3.19. How much will it cost Alex to buy 4 pounds of cherries? So I'm just doing $3.19 times 4. 9 times 4 is 36. 1 times 4 is 4, plus 3 is 7. 3 times 4 is 12. And I have 2 digits after my decimal up there, so I have 2 digits after my decimal down here. So my answer would be $12.76. And that is it for day 1's homework.